Vervet monkeys form tight-knit troops. They face dangers at every level. A southern African python, 12 feet long, one of the largest snakes in the world, capable of swallowing this monkey whole, if it can get close enough. But this family has someone on lookout. And when they spot a threat, they use a unique language to tell the group exactly what to do. Stand tall to spot the snake and keep your distance. Pythons are ambush hunters. And if their cover is blown, they give up. And they know it's not how loud you shout, it's what you say that really matters. Because vervets are on the menu for many different predators. They've developed a sophisticated alarm system to identify a range of threats, including one familiar big cat. A leopard triggers another specific alarm call. And critically, a different response. Leopards can climb, so these clever monkeys run to the ends of the thinnest branches, where the heavyweight hunter can't follow. They also know how to dodge danger from above, using a call that means there's an attack from the air. A martial eagle, diving for cover under the canopy. Each triggering a different life-saving reaction. It's a highly developed communication system.